Hello everyone. Welcome back on our programming journey. This is day 2 of this journey, and I would quickly like to remind us of one or two things. So basically, I won't be correcting my mistakes when I make them in this series, and also I will not be preparing any script for this series. So everything I'll be saying will come straight out of my chest or straight out of my mind. Anyways, wherever it's coming from. I hope you guys will get that feel that we are all learning together, and then just like a classroom, right? Where someone goes in front and then explains something to the whole class, and you have an argument or a discussion about that particular stuff. Now, in today's video, we're going to look at data types and variables. Now, data types are basically so I will use a real world example to explain these two topics here. Now, we are not going to code today. This is also another explanation. So we are still putting our foot into the Python world. So just bear with me on this one. Sorry, just bear with me on this one. And yeah, from tomorrow we'll start getting our hands dirty. All right. Also, I would like to remind you guys that I already have some programming knowledge in a different language, not in Python. So some of the things I'll be saying here will sound as if I already know Python, but it's just that they apply to programming in general. So we are all still learning together. Now, data types and variables. Let's take, for instance, I'll use a supermarket, right? So when you go into a supermarket, you see that different items are sorted into different, sections, right? So if you're looking for, let's say, milk, for instance, you will go to the dairy section, then you see the brand of milk you are looking for. If you are looking for a particular brand of cereal, again, there's the cereal in the, in the cereal you're looking for will be in the cereal category, right? Now, and each of these items are stored in a particular shelf. So, the category in which these items are stored is known as data type when we come into programming. In the programming world, that is known as data types. Now, the shelf in which we store these items from each categories is known as variables. So like we have it on the screen here. So variables are like a storage where we put stuff, and then data types are the particular category where the stuff we are putting into the box, in this case the variable, belong. So basically that's data types and variables in Python. All right, so we've come to the end of this section today. If you have anyone who wants to learn how to code in Python and wants to go on this beautiful journey with us, right? And with us, I assume as you're here, you already subscribed to the channel. So tell them to also subscribe, and let's have this beautiful win at the end where we'll celebrate, our knowledge and our skill. We'll start putting stuff into practice. All right, thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.